I've been really interested in this idea of sincerity and kind of different objects that carry sincerity. So I've been really kind of thinking about kind of like sincerity and utility, and when a sincere is over the utility of an object. And one of the things that I've really landed on is crochet blankets as this identity of a gift and more powerful than just covering. You know, a lot of times they're not used as like a object of like utility of covering or like holding warmth and stuff. They're kind of used as an object of like gifting or showing, or you present it, you know, it's on top of a bed or it's on the couch and everything. It's something that you show appreciation for, and it's made for almost all times like as a gift. And I think there's something really lovely about that. A lot of my time here has been hunting down blankets at thrift stores and kind of reusing them and repurposing into different kind of, I guess, elements, and trying to capture the sincerity and invoke my own sincerity or my own stories with it. It's Portraiture, and the title is My Allergies Are Acting Up, which is something that my mom used to say when she was done crying and stuff like that, but didn't want us to know. The blanket piece is mostly dealing with these ideas of sincerity and duality that I was dealing with kind of with the moving blankets and crocheted pieces, especially with doilies and stuff, almost like these drops of emotion versus like an exterior. And really kind of dealing with myself and my like kind of bipolarity and the ups and downs I have. So kind of almost like teardrops like hitting it, and that's like kind of the doily I see it as, and then like this kind of hard exterior of these blankets on top. One thing that I've always been interested in is trying to push the idea of line and push the idea of drawing into something more. And one of the ways I've been thinking a lot about that is seeing if I can take a drawing and move it into a 3D space. And almost like the line itself is a physical object, and the paper, or say the background, is all the things moving around it, or all the kind of like areas kind of interplaying with it. I think showing the appreciation of like something that usually doesn't get appreciated is really important. So just giving like these blankets a second chance and almost like another level of appreciation. Instead of just being on like a couch, it's kind of framed or in a gallery. And so people have to take time and really look at it and really kind of see the details and kind of the weird ideas and craftsmanship and stuff with them.